Hey guys, I'm Greg with Quantum Machinery Group, and this is Siegmund's new line of welding tables, the System 16 Metric Workbench. This is all new for Siegmund, coming in at a 1200 by 800 or the 1500 by 1000 workbench. This is for the DIYer or small business that want to cut costs but not the quality. These tables still feature Siegmund's signature tops, which are through-hardened tool steel, plasma nitrated, and bar-coated. This is going to protect against weld spatter, rust, as well as scratching. The top is also reversible, so you just take out a few bolts, flip over the top, and the table has a whole new lease on life. I think these tables absolutely look awesome, and they also come included with adjustable legs, setting the table height at 31 inch all the way to 38 inches. This is huge for TIG welders because a lot of TIG welders need their legs under the workbench to run the foot pedal while they're building small fixtures and parts. These workbench tables can hold up to 550 pounds. One big thing you may have noticed about this new series of welding tables is the extruded aluminum frame. This is big because it keeps the table lightweight but yet rigid, and you can move this thing around your shop by yourself. So if you're a one-man show, this may be the table you want to look at. Make sure to go to weldingtablesandfixtures.com. We have linked this in the video's description to find out more about these tables and look at our other equipment. Make sure to follow us on social media where you'll stay up to date with new products and also see some customer builds. We ask you to stay safe and keep on fabricating.